Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see here from the box, we are putting on, me and my buddy Nick are putting on installing the vintage air system. And one of the things with vintage air systems that we run into a lot are they have these little adapters. Now, these are for the defroster plenums on the Bronco. And what you'll see is they got these little nubs here, which are great. Well, there you go, which are great for the hoses, but then these are supposed to snap into or attach into the stock plenums. And what you'll notice is that it's really hard to get these things to fit. So I'm going to show you a cool trick today and show you exactly what I'm talking about here in a moment. But if you have these kits, this is one of the big things that everybody gets frustrated about, is that sometimes some of these adapters are really hard to install. So you can just do a little arts and crafts on them and wait till you see this trick. It's great. All right guys, so here's the deal. Cool little trick. When you're doing vintage air, like this defroster up here, you can see this up here. This is on a Bronco and it's got those little nubs on there. I'm sure you can see that pretty good right there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see them right there. And what happens is you get, whoa, too far back. You've got this piece here that comes in the kit and it doesn't, and you try to fit it and it won't fit because there's nothing on this piece that will clip into there. So I'm going to show you a quick, cool little trick. Okay, so here's the trick that my buddy Nick showed me and it's awesome. So you take an old pair of crimpers, you find some, as you can see right here, it's got the little crimp thing on there, and you just grind off the top of them. You can grind off the side here to give you clearance, but then what you do is you'll use the crimping tool to crimp in a relief into the into this adapter. So as you can see what I'm doing right here, boom, 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 and you crimp it about this far, and now when you do all four, you have a nice little spot here for them to snap onto. So I'll do the rest of them and we'll try it out. Okay, so back in the Bronco, and as you can see, use that crimping tool to make 4 little slots. Made them larger than the actual nubs on the defroster, but that's just so gives me a little bit of breathing room. So let's go ahead and try to put it in. So here we go. And of course there's a wire right in the way of the camera, which sucks, but we'll try to move it around. There we go. So put this guy in. Okay guys, sorry I couldn't film it actually snapping on because I'm underneath the dash right now, but this sort of gives you a better idea of, it worked really well. You can see right here, there's the little marks that we made with the crimper, and they snap right on, and now this thing is not coming off, as you can tell. So anyways, hopefully you like that trick. Thanks again for all the support, and stay tuned for the next content. Take care.